Yo, this one, I'm actually gonna tell you about the 50 points, explain to you how to buy, sell, and how to get 50 points, and explain the highs and lows of every day when you trading. Okay, if you go back, you can look at the other videos, other demos, how to set up a demo and live account. But this is actually the lick on how you make $100 a day out the market. Okay, easy. So check it out. Like and subscribe. I'm finna share the shit out of this video. And yeah, I'm gonna send it straight messenger, straight text message. Okay. I better not know your number. If I know your number, I'm sending it to you. So yeah, check it out. Let me know what you think. Okay. Right now I'm finna explain a quick 50-point theory. Like I be telling a lot of people, all you need is 50 points to be good. Okay. So now this is the 50-point theory. You see that right there? That's 47 points at that lot size right there. See, right hand click it. I'm gonna show you what that look like in currency. That's $15. Okay. So that's like you got in the sale right here on this candlestick. You risked 15 points. That would have been like $3. You would have risked $3 to get you a quick $15. Now that's the 50-point theory, okay? So if you can sit there and get 50 points every time you make a trade, you know what I mean? You're gonna make a little bread. Make some money. I'm looking to go to flight school. If you see that right there. I'm trying to make, you know. But yeah, 50 points a day, that's it. That's the point theory. So if you see my videos and you see me 50 points and 300 points, like that's it. I'm risking the 10, 20 points to get the 50 or 300 or 400 points. And I never have to rush to build nobody account because it's like easy. It's that easy. It's that easy to get 50 points. So if you can get 50 points, you can get $5. It could be $50 or it could be $500. It's just whenever you're ready to sit down and get it done, you sit down and get it done. So you can like write your check because that's 50, 50, 50. You know, that's $150 real quick for the day. Real easy off that 50 points. Drop down, boom. And you can sell much as you want. So I got down here the small lot size from yesterday. I kind of left it in there, was tripping. I'm kind of extra sure that this finna drop. So we might get this whole drop like live. So then I'm gonna upload in the morning. So I've been shooting them around. Now this should explain everything. How the 50 points ride. So if you get in good, you start raising this right here, your lot size up to like, I'm gonna show you. You raised up to like $1 right there. So then you get in on the sale like all the way up here. Let's say you get in the sale up here and you risk $18 or $27 to get $100. Okay, so that's the points. So if I just caught 100 plus points, you know what I mean? And that's yeah, just showing you the small lot size is gonna get me $53 just to go down here. But I slapped that a couple times, so you know it's about the points. It's the points. It's that easy. 50, 60, 37. You understand? Very easy. So I don't want to jibble jab too much. So I'm going to give it a break. You know, I'm going to holler back in a couple minutes. We're looking for the price to actually come all the way down here to the low of the day. If I drew a box, you never want to get stuck with your box, you know. I drew a box from the high to the low. Boom. That was the high of the day. This is the low of the day. This is the high of the week. But it's retesting. This is the real actual high of the week. And it is retesting the high of the week right here. This is the first retest. This is the second retest. Well, third, whatever. But this is the actual retest. Unless it's going to bounce up some more. But if not, we're looking for it to come all the way down here. Past the golden zone. Past the G-spine. Past where it's high. And the main thing a lot of people get confused with is trading on different time frames. Maybe I can explain this real quick because I'm in a good mood. So if I blow this up and just keep it on a 15-minute, and every time you trade, you want to come in. This is free game. Like, this is definitely top from a market maker. So if you keep it on a 15-minute chart, this the ideology you got to have all day, every day. Every day you come in the market, you got to go from high to the low. Okay? You go from the high, you go to the low. And you figure out how many points you want or whatever. But normally, it varies on pairs. So sometimes it might make a high or low different. And the points are different on different pairs. Pairs are these. You can trade any pair you want. But they just different with numbers and spreads. Going back to the AU. So every start of the day is going to be a high and a low. And then it's just going to pretty much keep bouncing in between this box. But at the beginning of the week, the first time it missed the box on the low or the high, it's going to go the other way for the whole week. Okay? So now I'm finna blow it out. I'm finna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is today. This is like Thursday. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and then we got Monday. Monday was right here. And if you zoom in on the 15-minute from after Friday, that was a nice W. At the end or the beginning of the week, it's going to make a nice W or a nice M. Okay? They ain't going to be crystal clear. And if you ain't too greedy, you always going to make some money if you chase the M. Once you understand these points. Once you understand, like, okay, it look like it's going down right here. It go down and give you 50 points or 100 points and you get up out of there. Or you get in here on the sale and it give you 300 points, you get up out of there. But if you keep chasing the same thing, you're gonna catch what you're looking for. You know? Can't overstress that if you're looking for M's, eventually you're going to catch them. If you're looking for W's, you eventually going to catch them. Just figure out which way you're going to go. All right? I hope this video ain't too blurry. But you know, from 5 o'clock to almost 1, 2, or 3 o'clock in the morning, it's going to bounce and bounce and bounce. And then about 6 or 7 in the morning, it's going to miss the high or the low. I don't know. Don't nobody know. It's all about where the money at. It's going to miss the high or the low, and it's going to go the other way for almost the whole day. Okay? Okay? And we can look at it right here. This was yesterday. If you would have drew a box from yesterday when the day opened up, which is what I did, that was my box from the high to the low, to the high, to the low, to the, you see I was missing it and faking everybody out. Then it dropped down. But if you would have been keeping up with it, you know, something like I was, once it started going up, whatever, I went to sleep, and boom. If you was in the market and deciding if you was a bear or a bull, bears would have been waiting up here, would have caught that little money and got up out of there. But bulls would have been taking the bottom of the box and buying for the day. Take the bottom of the box and buy for the day. I'm going to show you what happened when you take the bottom of the box. I ain't draw no box this day because I didn't trade. I traded this day. I think I got a video on this. I believe I was at my sister's house, Shell house, so I don't know. But we was boxing it up, and it was real tight that day. It's real tight. And all of a sudden, it dropped down. So if I was a seller, I would have actually caught a quick 300-something points. But if I was a bull in the market, I would have seen a big drop for 15 minutes. The next 15-minute candle, I would have relaxed. Then a third 15-minute candle, which that would have been 15, 15, 15. So that's like 45 minutes out your day. 45 minutes out your day. But if you was a seller, that would have been just 15 minutes out your day to get $350, risking $80 or risking $100 for that day. Okay. So then, boom, if you would have seen that move after the 15, it would have been a high and low, the high and low. So if you would have drew your box up right here, change that color. Bam. Okay. So if you would have been boxing up right here, as soon as the box would have dropped, where the price would have dropped, that would have became the new low of the day. Okay. And once the low of the day not broken, you start to buy. You go the other way. It's just like this. Boom, 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 boom. High, low, high, low. Once it dropped down, boom, you take it the other way. And you would have had it good for the whole day. And that would have gave you about, 600-some points. Could have been $6, $16. You decide. Your lot size, your bank account, not mine. More money, it's simple. Very simple. And this would have been the start of the week from Monday. Zooming in from Monday, it would have made the two. You could have boxed up out the gate. Bam, high, low, high, low. It missed the low of the day. That's why you got to be very consistent. You got to trade every day. You got to watch it every day. And if you didn't catch it right there, you would have came back to the screen, and your box would have went down there up there. It still ain't break the low of the day, ain't come down there, so you basically taking it the opposite way. It's a buyer's market for the day. Very simple. Very simple. And that was the W from Friday. Let's blow it out. So if you could understand what I just taught you, or whatever I just said, scribbled to you, that's the lick, how you make money in any market. I can go to another currency, and I'm going to pull up another currency another day. But that's the market maker's way to trade the AU. Guaranteed 50 points every day. If my sons can make money off this, I'm pretty sure anybody that's watching the video or hold a smartphone or get on Facebook can make some money. If my sons, they like 12 or 13, and they pulling money out the market. So, yeah. Now let's go back to my cell. I'm finna get up out of here. Like I said, now it's going to the low of the day. And you don't want to trade every day also. Like you can get your money and not trade every day. You can make $150 a day, you straight. $150 a day, you good. Because $80 a day is $2,400 a month. Easy. Easy. So now it's coming down to the low, so we're going to wait for this 15-minute candle to end. Yep. Sometimes the computer actually like freezes up, whatever. You see how it's moving slow. They waiting for more people to add contracts to buy so they can push the price down. You know what I mean? That's how they make their money. and they don't owe nobody no excuses or why the market went down. Yeah, but yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So we looking for the spot that the price come down here. So then I'm gonna go take a break real quick, really. I'm gonna pause and then come back. This probably be like a 20-minute video. But everybody's talking about, man, what's up, PMO? You know what I'm saying? Shit, here it go. It's the lick right here from 5 to down to 2 in the morning. Get that bread. All right. So y'all gonna see me again when this minute is damn near 15 all over again in a second. Okay, we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Beats by Ilski. This is almost the beginning of the 15-minute candle. 2 more minutes to go. And this is the secret. Okay, sometimes I get impatient, but this is actually the secret. At the end of the 15 minutes, you don't want to touch that candle. When it's coming to the low at the end of the 15 minutes, you got to leave that candle alone, because that candle might reject. It might swing up. Okay, so you see how I took that trade off? Yeah, that's the end of the box. So it might just reject and come all the way back up for another retest. Okay, and then I had to take all that profit that I made and start all over again. And that's the most frustrating thing, like, about the trading game. Like, it people that sell down here, they get caught up. They go down, they have it right, they be in profit, they sell, their account ain't big enough, it draw back, then they scare them out the trade. Now they 3 times back to what they was into, and then right when they get out, it go down. So we're looking for it to actually come all the way down from here. I'm trying to get all that, which that is a whole 530. Yep. And like I said, work on every pair, so we finna shoot to another pair and show you what I'm talking about. Shit, same thing. It's a high and a low on this pair. There you go. Check it out through the week. It's the same thing. It's a hollow right here. And this is free game. Like, this is free game. If you understand buy and sell, or if you can get on here and slap one of these on right here, a buy or a sell, like that easy, and then pull the line up or down. That's how you do it. That's how you trade. What do I mean? Okay, let me show you what I mean. This is the buy and sell. You got your box. It make a high, it make a low. All right? And you decide if you want to sell or buy. So it make a high, it make a low, it make a high again. You decide to sell. You sell right there, put your stop loss 150 points or whatever, or your liking, and you'll take profit to your liking. Okay? And that's the thing about trading. Can't nobody teach you your risk to reward, basically, unless they're a hedge fund or a bank, and then you ain't got no control of it, you know. You can look at any pair. Some pairs move funny, but at the same time, you catch them. That's the high low of the day. What you want to do, buy or sell. You know, some pairs move different. Some move very fast. High, low, 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 boom, gone. Yeah. Go back to the AU. Oh, and this is another pair. This is a pair my son trade. It's a box. Boom, boom, boom. A high, low. You wonder when you move your box is just the first couple moves. Go a little M. right there. 100-point risk, 22-point drop. Easy money. You can even use the box right there. Bam. High low today. You come back down there 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. You see it bounce right there. There go one pin. Boom, another pin is gone. Beast by Ilskin again. Let me say that. I keep him on repeat because he's a brilliant guy. Right, back to it. All right, let me get back on my pair now. Make sure they ain't reversed the price. Oh, it's dropping. See, now I kind of missed out, but there go the next 15-minute candle. They probably held the price. Yeah, because it's like 12:43 or something on the open clock. But if you watched all my videos through the week, I've been, caught it. We've been looking for this sale, though. Alright. So that's about sums up the video. You see it's about to hit the G spot, the golden zone. And that's how you trade. I might want to leave it. I might want to keep it going. But that will be the move for the day. But it's the end of the week. So at the beginning of the week and the end of the week, it tends to go all the way a certain way. You say, what do you mean? Hold on, I'm glad you asked. I'm glad you asked me. What did that mean? So when you go to the 4 hour, this is the whole week. So when I go to the 4 hour, that was the beginning of the week. It's the end of the week. So look at this shit. This was the beginning of the week. It shot up. This is the end of the week. Came down, so pretty much it shot up. 1,400 points. Oh, you want to sneak up and move. So basically, it shot up 1,400 points. And then it came down 1,000 points at least. 1,100 points. Now, the points is what you want to make it. That could be $10 a week. That could be $1.11 a week. $1.11. Yeah, $1.11. That could be $11. That could be $110, or that could be $1,100. Okay. And that's exactly how it go. Beginning of the week, end of the week. Beginning of the week, shot down, midweek reversal. If you would have missed it going up, all you had to do was just figure out where the low of the week was. You could have stayed right there. And the low of the days would have matched up with that probably. I know. All right, so we got this forming exactly what I said was going to happen. And this happened. It's actually no rush to, that's why banks never rush to, when people invest their money. It's just this easy. So next week, I'm going to be back over here in Oakland, Tennessee. My sister Bashir's crib. Taking care of my business. Yesterday, went from the golden zone, bounced up, boom. Came back today, boom. It might jump up there again. We don't know. But yeah, there go my 200 points plus, because I got extra. I got extra lot size over there. I got a 9 and a 32 and something else. So now pretty much I can secure this. I'll secure that up a little bit. Bam. Probably come back up and try to see what's going on right here. Unless it's just gonna break the so-called resistance zone. I don't know where the resistance zone was this day. To my resistance zone. It shot up. I guess this was the resistance zone for 15 minutes. Then it shot on up. But if you would have caught the move down here, you wouldn't be worried about no resistance zone. So Kyra was sitting down here, and she had it right going that way. She was in profit. Asked me, should I take profit? I'm like, set, play it safe. Little money, better no money. Take your 50 points and get up out of there. She got her 50 points and she was gone. I think she probably got like 250 points this week. But yeah, but if she would have stayed woke, maybe whenever she got off work, she probably went to sleep. But if she would have kept buying on that one, she would have made a little 42 points. Then she would have caught it again down here, and she would have got a whopping at least 377 points to 500 points. All right. So pretty much I got my points for today. I'm finna, I'm gone. I'm still recording these every day. Beats by Ilska, I said again. And I might upload another one in the morning. The money's made. Have a good week.